Great choice. That me over.
First turn of the game, I'm sticking.
And he's
with.
going with yellow.
Alright.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Right.
Oh.
Start emergency deal.
Exactly why I didn't do that.
You dumb. You dumb. You dumb. Go. I'm pulling over, dumb. Dumb. Dumbass. What do you mean?
Passing you and you went anyway!
You went flying around me.
You saw me
legally
going.
went in a turning
I
lane.
did not illegally go in any
Okay.
lane.
It's all
I
on the
went
dash
over.
cam. It's all on the dash cam.
That's fine. I went over and you f***ing went over too. You saw me going. You looked right at me. You're going to pay for my brand new car.
No, you're going to pay for my car. Hey.
Hi, you reached Tracy. Sorry.
That's loud. Hey, I just got hit. Yeah, some lady literally passed me in the turning lane, so I got over because I was trying to pass a car in front of me, and she would
a whole lot better than Diet Mountain Dew. I'm not even lying about that. I'm even impressed.
I'll drink it, baby.
I got Diet Mountain Dew. I'm fine. I'm just saying. It's like, I hope they get that in 12 packs and 6 packs and shit. We just got rear-ended. Are you okay?
Really?
While organizing my 1-year-old's closet, an envelope with a $100 bill fell down. Seeing as we just bought the house, I'm guessing it was left over from the previous owners and that my infant does not in fact have a side hustle going on. When I left for college, I took. They've had their entire adult life to cultivate what they think is good and conveniently forget what they didn't like at the time. Survivorship bias. Plenty of awful songs from our parents' time has faded into obscurity. Any media that's particular.
Good job, dude. Fucking idiot.
Dude?
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.